In this Adobe Premiere Pro tutorial, we're going to quickly brighten dark footage using a simple built-in effect. Sometimes your video turns out darker than expected. Maybe the room lighting wasn't strong enough or exposure settings were slightly off. Instead of doing heavy color grading, we can fix it quickly. Let's begin. First, select your clip on the timeline. Now go to the effects panel and search for brightness and contrast. Drag the brightness and contrast effect onto your clip. Next, go to the effect controls panel. You'll see two main controls. Start by increasing the brightness slowly. As you raise it, the overall image becomes lighter. Be careful not to increase it too much because that can wash out highlights. Now adjust the contrast. If the image looks flat after increasing brightness, slightly increase contrast to bring back depth. If the shadows look too harsh, reduce contrast a little. The goal is to balance brightness and contrast so the image looks natural and properly exposed. Zoom into your footage at 100% and fine-tune the settings. Once adjusted correctly, your dark footage should look clearer, brighter, and more professional. And that's it. You now know how to quickly brighten dark footage using brightness and contrast in Adobe Premiere Pro. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Adobe Premiere Pro tutorials.